Yo, what up? How's everybody doing? I'm doing great. Dude, I'm trying to stop like saying because it's annoying to go and edit it all out. Also, I think it helps me get my train of thought together, so you know, it is what it is. I'm going to the gym, but I figured I'd make a little slow ride because a lot of people will think I just speed everywhere. I don't know if it's, you know, my viewers, but my parents do and all that. They watch the videos, so I figure I'll give them a little taste of what I really be doing. I don't know about anybody else, but I kind of like the cloudy weather. I wish it was like warm and cloudy, but I can't complain, you know. I'm riding my bike. That's all that matters to me. Is it just me, or like when you see a student driver sticker and then they drive like a dum-dum, like am I the only one who just finds it ironic? Like he was easily going 10 plus over, probably just to pass me, but still, like I just don't get it. It makes no sense to me. I think a lot of it has to do with like they let their kids drive that car. But I mean, still, this is like my first time riding in my non-riding shoes. I got some Vans on. It feels a little weird because my riding shoes, they're like really solid. So it's like your foot doesn't like, you don't really feel the pegs and whatnot. And I mean, I'm used to it now, but I know for a lot of people that's like a big deal. They hate that. Or like, you know, a lot of people hate gauntlet gloves like this, but I couldn't imagine riding without them. I like the way it cuffs over my gear and whatnot. Because even though I'm wearing a hoodie, I have my riding jacket underneath. You know, better safe than sorry for sure. And it keeps me warm. I'm able to ride in cooler weather, which is nice. That car got messed up, dude. Holy cow. I love my change, like I have higher geared sprockets, so I accelerate faster and I love it. But I hate how it took away my gear indicator, which is, I mean, it is what it is. I'd rather have the shorter gearing, but I don't know. I don't see a reason to put it back. I've gotten used to it by now. What a peaceful day it is. I don't know, it's just a vibe. I like the cloudy weather, I can't help it. Obviously I wish it was 80 and sunny, but I figure here soon it's gonna be so hot I'm gonna be, you know, sweating in my gear and whatnot. So I'm just trying to take advantage of the cooler weather. It's like having the AC on in your car when you ride, you know. I like it. I can't lie. I feel like a lot of it has to do with I kind of learned how to ride in the fall and winter time. which I don't know if that was a good idea, but it kind of taught me a lot about, like, you know, letting your tires warm up and whatnot. I don't know. One thing I love about this bike is, look, 55 miles per gallon, bro. Like, I have a Honda, obviously, I mean, and dude, even in that thing I get like 28, 25 sometimes. I also, I mean, I used to drive really bad in it. I used to be terrible, but I don't know. This is half the reason why I rode my bike. I did not want to deal with traffic. Alrighty boys, I'm almost to my gym, so I'm gonna turn this off. I love all of y'all. I hope everyone has an amazing day, and I want everyone to know that God loves you, I love you, and to be safe, please, and peace.